Hi everyone, I'm Rechel Ladera. We're going to present the lesson 11, which is the nasal sounds articulations. In producing these sounds, lower the soft palate while raising back by off the tongue. The sound is usually found in words where the letter is followed by either A, K, G in the same syllable. Initial. None except in foreign names such as Niña, Nguyen. Medial. Anchor. Angle. Bunker. Bungalo. Finger. Hanger. Longer. Singer. Single. Tango. Younger. Final. Coming. Dancing, evening, gang, hang, morning, napping, spring, ring, sang, wing.
Phrases: sing to him, banking hour, singoma, greeting good morning, fingertip, sticks to tango, ear piercing, crying baby, sing at the top of the lungs.
Sentences. First is, eating too much sugar is bad for health. Number 2, drinking 8 glasses of water every day is good. Number 3, balancing career and spirituality is very important. 4, leaving the past behind help you move on. 5, link the past to your future makes you a great person. 6, they think that gambling is not addictive. 7, giving a wrong decision is detrimental. 8, hang on to what you believe. 9, the desperate fellow spends time swearing, gambling, and drinking the whole night. 10, the cost of lavish wedding is encouraging enough.
Make it right. Read with the correct sounds. Title: That's Success. It's doing your job the best you can and being to your fellow man. It's making money but holding friends and true to your aims and aims. It's figuring how and learning why and dreaming a little and doing much. It's keeping always in closest touch with what is finest in word and deed. Being thorough yet making speed. It's daring blithely the field of chance while making labor a brave romance. That's all. Thank you.